when you think of epic, even historic road trips. A lot of people think Route 66. Sure, who doesn't like a highway with a name like the Mother Road? Who doesn't like singing about getting your kicks on Route 66, or what parent doesn't know the movie Cars by heart by now, with Sally's sad speech about the old highway towns getting bypassed by the interstates? But growing up in California, it wasn't 66 that inspired us, like it does for folks in the Midwest. It was another route. One that drives past giants of entertainment and giants of nature. It's not the Mother Road, it's the Royal Road, El Camino Real. It has many names, actually, as you fulfill that fantasy of pointing your car that-a-way and seeing where the road takes you. Pacific Coast Highway, PCH. The Hollywood Freeway, the Ventura. Yeah, you really do have to use the when referring to roads in Southern California. The Bayshore. Redwood Highway. Oregon Coast Highway. And we're driving the whole thing. From Mexico to Canada, it's Regen Road Trip's wall-to-wall, literally, journey on the coast highways. If you've visited Southern California, sure, you may have visited Malibu or driven the 101 through the valley. If you've visited San Francisco, you've driven the Golden Gate Bridge. And heck, when the Grays lived in Marina del Rey, we commuted on PCH every day. But there's something special, different, about driving the whole thing. Taking your time, exploring the scenery, meeting the people, learning about the history, the good, the bad, and the yet evolving. We've got some amazing things to show you and stories to tell you. This will be part vlog, part documentary series, but all real. Hit that subscribe button and hop in. We're going for a drive. First stop, San Ysidro, California, and the most legit stop sign in the country. That's next on Regen Road Trip's The Coast Highway. Thanks to our supporters for helping make these videos possible. Check the description below for an updated list and a link to our Patreon page to add your support to this and future RRT projects.